Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Quitta. I don't know if y'all can see me. I'm coming in. I don't know. Right now, it looked like a scene from Alvin Hitchcock Birds. And I know some people don't like birds. And at one point in time, I didn't like birds. However, I have, over the years, it took a while, but I love God. I don't know, I can't see how I look, and I don't know how to change the feature. But I love God's work, and I love being one with nature. And this is what I be talking about when I be saying get outside, get grounded, connect with God, connect with nature, and just listen. Because a lot of times there are so many messages that we might receive if we just get out here and connect, get out here and listen. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. Uh-oh. I've been out here for a while. And if I get a chance, I might post some later on. But just wanted to share that with you all. I hope you all are continuing to have a blessed and prosperous new year. And for those, I was recently told that they really like Honey Nut Cheerios. So that's just a tad bit. And I think that might go a longer way. And Honey Nut Cheerios, send me a check.